Hi everyone, my name is Deepa. So I'm back with another data Lemur problem today, and this is an SQL medium problem, and this is Spotify listening history. So let's get started. So we are given a song history table that keeps tracks of users' listening history on Spotify. Now the song weekly table tracks how many users listen to each song for all days between August 1st and August 7th. So the song's weekly table has the unique user ID, the song ID, and the listen time. The 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 ID is basically the songs that the user has listened to throughout the 1 week period from August 1 to August 7th. And now we need to write a query to show the user the song ID and the number of times the user has played each song as of August 4th. That means that we only need to find information up till August 4th of how many times a user has played each individual song. Now we'll refer to the number of songs as song plays. And interestingly, they have a song history table. So the song history table holds the data that ends on July 31st. So we need to also include information because we have to include information from August 4th up till August 4th. We'll need to also include all the data from the songs histories from this table as well because it's from July 31st. Now, there might be a new user in this weekly table who is not present in the history table, and a user may listen to a song for the first time, um, in which case no existing user song pair exists, and a user may listen to a specific song multiple times a day. That means we have to use a group by operation because there is not one user listening to one song ID. He can be listening to multiple song IDs on the same day. So let's see um, how do we write this query. So first, say my approach will be to we need to count all the IDs. We need to count all the song plays from July 31st, from the song history table and the songs weekly table from July up till August 4th. So first, what I'll do is that um, to count the number of songs played by each user for each the unique song ID. We're going to write a query for this. So let's just look at songs weekly table for now. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to select my user ID, comma song ID, um, and then um, I'm going to be doing um count listen time as count as song plays from songs weekly group by user ID, song ID, and then where listen time is less so we only need it till has played as of 4th August. So we will only need information up till 4th August, and this is so let's see how my query is looking like right now. Let's put this here. I always make this silly mistake. Okay, so great. So we have the songs played and they're grouped by based on um based on the user ID and the song ID and the listen time. So essentially what this table has now collected is all the information of all the songs each user has heard um, up till 4th of August. Now, what we need to do next is, because we need to also aggregate information from our song history column, we're going to first apply a union call so that we are merging both these tables together. And in order to merge this, we're going to do horizontal, a vertical concatenation. So in that case, we'll be using the union all operator. So here what I'll be doing is that select user ID comma song ID comma song plays from songs history, and I'll just be passing union all, and let's run the code and see what happens. Okay, great. So this union all operation has taken now into all the information from the song's history, and it has combined it with, it has added the rows from the new song weekly table that I had branched out. So now the final step is that we need to get the total songs played, or the sum of songs played. So this is now simple. So we can actually do we can do a simple group by operation, which will be sum of songs played group by user ID and song ID, and that should give me my answer, because 771238 um, is 12, and 695 4 with the 4520 is 2, which is correct. So let's see if this runs. So um, I'm just going to be now summing. So select user ID comma song ID comma sum song plays group by user ID comma song ID from CTE1 as song plays. So this should work now. Sorry, I think I'm having a really long day today, so I'm making such careless mistakes. Okay, this is interesting. So I have my answer now, and I think this should work unless I have made some syntax errors, but let's see. Okay, query did not match. And why did it not match? Okay, I have to order it, I think. Order by song place descending. Okay, uh, this should work now. Let's submit it. Okay, accepted. And this was SQL medium problem, Spotify listening history. I hope you guys understood the way I wrote the SQL query, and please feel free to leave any comments or any suggestions on how I can improve, or use a different logic to write this, come up with the same solution.